Hello everyone. I am Reza Monfared Hajishirkiaee. I am a master's student in nanobiotechnology at Hajishirkiaee University of Tehran, Iran. The title of our article is Design of Chitosan Carbon Zinc Oxide Nanoparticle S-Spine Nanocomposite for Wound Dressing Application. In this research, a spongy nanocomposite wound dressing based on chitosan or CS and a combination of green carbon dots or CDs and zinc oxide nanoparticles or ZNO NPs was synthesized in order to increase the hemostatic and antibacterial performance against common wound infection bacteria. The wound dressing can provide a temporary physical barrier against microbial invasion. Sponge wound dressing is a kind of soft and porous wound dressing. Chitosan is a natural polymer and has many advantages as a wound dressing material, including biodegradability and biocompatibility. Zinc oxide nanoparticles have a significant antibacterial effect against a wide range of bacterial organisms with low toxicity to human cells. Carbon dots or CDs are zero-dimensional carbon-based nanoparticles with a diameter of less than 10 nanometers which have low cytotoxicity and hydrophilicity. Nanoparticles of carbon dots were prepared by hydrothermal method from elderberry fruit. Also, zinc oxide nanoparticles were prepared by the Sol-Gel method from zinc acetate and sodium hydroxide. Then, to make the sponge nanocomposite, 1.5 grams of chitosan was dissolved in 15 milliliters uh, of 1% acetic acid solution for 3 hours. Finally, three different samples with included chitosan alone, chitosan and CDs, and chitosan CDs and ZNO were synthesized by the freeze drying method. Then the morphology of CDs, as shown in figure 1, was examined using TEM, which showed that the cities were uniformly dispersed, spherical, and without apparent aggregation. Furthermore, the morphology of ZNONPs is shown in figure 2 and shows distinct spherical particles with a dense solid structure, which are less than 100 nanometer in size. Then the cell viability of the samples was checked after 24, 48, and 72 hours. Uh, according to the figure 3, According to the figure 3 result, the cell viability is slightly reduced in the presence of CD and ZNO, but it is not alarming. Then the hemostatic function of the samples was checked. According to the result of figures 4 and 5, the presence of CDs and zinc oxide significantly improved the hemostatic function. Finally, the antibacterial activity of the samples against gram-negative Pseudomonas aeruginosa was investigated. According to the results of figures 6 and 7, the presence of zinc oxide in the spinal composite increases the bactericidal performance and prevents the growth of bacteria. This study showed that the simultaneous use of two different nanoparticles in a wound dressing to improve multiple function can be a new perspective in biomedical application. Thank you for your attention.